How to paper trade on TradingView on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, let's discuss how to do the paper trading. In this fast-paced world of trading, honing your skills and strategies without risking your hard-earned capital is a prudent approach. So, entering paper trading is a powerful tool offered by platforms like TradingView, which allows traders to simulate real market conditions but without using the real money. Before diving in on how to, let's understand the concept of paper trading. Simply put into, it is a simulated trading environment where users can practice buying and selling assets without any financial risk. We can consider it as a virtual trading account with all the features of a live account but with virtual funds. So to get started with, you have to open your TradingView. Make sure to log in into your account, or you could create a new account using the new credentials or your Gmail account. Once that is done, you can choose the market in which you want to buy and sell or do the paper trading. For that, you can click on Search Market Here button and choose for the market that you want to invest, buy and sell into. For now, I'll be choosing the stock and symbol and search for it. Now you have to click on Launch Chart for whatever stock you want to invest into or buy or sell. Once that is done, it will open a chart. Then after, you have to navigate into the trading panel, and there you will see the option of paper trading. Tap on it and it will ask you to connect. This way you have activated the paper trading environment. But before initiating the trades, you will need to fund your virtual account with paper trading funds. These funds are not real money and are solely for simulation processes. After this, now you can start your trading. With your virtual account funded, you are ready to go. Utilize the available tools and features to execute traders, such as right-click anywhere on the chart, and there you have the option of trade. From here, you can choose to sell, buy, create new order or trading settings as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.